Hey guys, welcome to Keto with Lee, your low carb lifestyle channel. I am your host, Sonia Lee, and today we are making cod in a red pepper sauce. Now this is a recipe that I found in my archives that I never posted, so it is in my old kitchen. I just wanted to give you a heads up. But if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you're alerted when I post a new recipe and when I go live. You can visit my website for the full recipe and macros at www.ketowithlee.us. Now before we jump into this recipe, please support this channel. There's several ways you can do it. You can smash the heck out of the like button. You can share this video or my channel with 5 people you know. And if you're interested, you can get some gear on my online store. I'll put the link in the description below. Now, let me show you how I keto. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, so we're going to start off by using our blender or food processor. And in that, we're going to put our heavy cream in that, and that's 1 1/4 cup. We use heavy cream because it has less carbs in it. Sometimes if you use the organic ones, you'll find that it has 0 carbs. I'm doing this video a little different because when I recorded this particular video, there was so much background noise. I wanted to make sure that you guys could hear me. So now we are going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You're more than welcome to use coconut oil or avocado oil. This is a very simple recipe for those weeknights when you're exhausted from work. This is Parmesan cheese and it's 1/4 cup. So this works perfectly because the oven does all the work for you. This is minced garlic and it is 2 tablespoons. And then we have 2 fresh basil leaves. I almost dropped them. And then 12 ounces of roasted red bell pepper. You can use the fresh ones as well. I just like them roasted and I was trying to hurry up and do dinner quickly. You can roast them yourself actually. It's very simple and the house smells amazing when you do that. So then we're gonna go ahead and blend this. Aren't you happy you don't have to listen to all of that blending sound? Now all we're gonna do is blend it until it is smooth. Pretty color. I always sniffle in these videos, I'm so sorry. Alright, so that's what it looks like. See how smooth that is right there? So now we're gonna take our cod. Now You can use frozen or fresh. Just remember to drain it if it's frozen, because as it defrosts, it releases water, so you want to drain those. So what I'm going to do is just season this to my taste with salt and pepper, black pepper. And I do use pink Himalayan salt. As I've mentioned before, it is my favorite salt. And I found out that it does help reduce inflammation. But sea salt is perfectly fine as well. So what I'm doing is just making sure I get all sides with the salt and the pepper. Jaden, I'm recording, baby. It's okay. All right, so once we do that, now we can pour the red pepper sauce on top. Yum. I don't know why I always say yum. You guys like that? Yum. Do you do that when you watch these videos? Anyways, so what I like to do once I pour any of the marinades that I use on any of the foods that I make, I like to put my gloves on. So let me put my gloves on and I'll be right back. All right, so now this is my version of playing with my food. I like to make sure that the marinade covers all sides of the meat so that it cooks evenly and that all bites are created equal. And then we're off to the oven to bake at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 35 minutes. Visit my website for the written recipe. Thanks for watching.